If you are using the example from the U82 library, kindly uncomment the pin assignment for the device. It's U82Z152122. Here I uncomment the line. That is one of the device that has the same pin configuration for the W12232A, but the display is not. So that's why you need to use the sample code. Here is the sample display text, and modified the font and the display text. Now, see the output? Here, another sample code for large display. Our third sample code for scrolling text display. For another sample code for digital clock display. Here, I modified the drawstring column from 38 to 50 for seconds positions to change. See the LC. Then I modified the row from 22 to 10 and upload so that you can see how to position the text. Next display is for weather. You can see the different temperature for the weather with caption. Using the graphic LC, you can display more icons, texts, logos, clock, even different languages available on the U82 library.